Hi guys, today we will be learning how we can create a subdomain and then how we can install WordPress on that specific subdomain and work on it. So first of all, here we are in our Hostinger dashboard, or we can say it hPanel as well. So first of all, we have to go scroll down and click on manage on the hosting we have purchased. Now here we have to select the domain on which we have to create subdomain. This is my domain. Now click on domain, click on subdomains. Here I can create a new domain for myself. For example, e-commerce store shwebkamran.com. Now the domain will be ecommercestore.shwebkamran.com. Click on create subfolder for domain and it will automatically create it. Click on create. Now we have created a domain and we can see we have successfully created it here. Now you have to click on website and then click on auto installer. Here we have all our domains, subdomains. So it is our choice. So we'll go with WordPress. Click on select. Now you fill in the details here. Enter your email here. Create a strong password for your WordPress dashboard. Click on advanced. And now here you have to select your subdomain on which you have to create the WordPress dashboard. Click here and click on next. Install the recommended version. Click on install. And now WordPress will be installed on our subdomain. It might take a minute or two. Now here we have our subdomain setup and our WordPress is installed as well. So if we have a hosting, so it has unlimited SSL. It is SSL certificate also installed in it, so no security issues. Now let's check the WordPress admin area here. It will redirect us to our WordPress dashboard. And here we are. Now we can make any kind of website on WordPress on our subdomain. Now let's check it. I think there must be the hello theme right now. Yeah. Now that's it. Do like and subscribe my channel and do let me know in the comments below if you need any more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye bye.